up, guys? Cave Troll here. Today we're going to be installing a lock on the hard saddlebags. They finally came in. So yeah, this is $30 worth of parts, which I'm still trying to figure out how a simple hook lock is $30-some. But yeah, so you got the hook that you know, latches on through there. And key in the actual tumbler portion. So yeah, let me get everything set up and we will do the install. Alright, so I got my high-speed you know, redneck tripod over here. It's going to be kind of hard to hold the camera or even get a decent view of this, considering it's mounted here and the camera's going to be here. But we will see how this goes. It's a pretty simple install. It's not really not exactly rocket science. You just untake this off. And that just pretty much slides in. And then you put the washer on. And screw it in. Alright, so I'm going to cut this part in. Before you put this in, make sure you line up that little bitty washer on the piece. See how it's got two little ears coming off the side? Right there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. There's a little piece that kind of sticks up, and that's what actually stops the lock. I don't have enough hands to do this all together. So if you look right there, you got that little piece. I'm guessing that's in the shot. You just make sure the piece is at the bottom. That way when you turn the lock, it stops it, doesn't spin all the way around. So then we will stick this back in here, holding on to that little bracket. Which is a kind of a pain. Because now I gotta put this nut back on, and it just fell back off. Alright, get that all tight. And you want to get that little earpiece, you want to make sure it's like straight up and down. There we go. Put that back on. Probably should have got my the little head mount for my GoPro for this one. Put that on. And the screw. So if you can see, I can't really see the back of the screen. If you see, you got the screw, the little lock washer, and then I got the hook thing, and then you see how that washer kind of stops the key from turning all the way. And of course I gotta tighten everything up, but there you go. That's all it is to it. If you like what you're seeing here, like, share, subscribe, comment. Cave Troll out. Peace.